Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying your kernel and distro compatibility, then install the small set of prerequisites so package installs work reliably. Next, add Docker's GPG key and repository to your system to ensure you get signed packages. Once done, update your package index and install the Docker C, Docker CLI, and containered packages. Make sure to enable and start the Docker service with systemctl so the daemon runs at boot. This prepares your machine for images, containers, and the next configuration steps. Now configure Docker for daily use by adding your user to the Docker group so you avoid repeated sudo. Log out and back in to apply the change. Then practice pulling an image and running an interactive container to inspect file system and processes. Once comfortable, run background services with Docker rund and manage them with Docker ps, logs, and Docker exec to troubleshoot live workloads. If you use multi-container setups, install and run Docker Compose to define networks, volumes, and linked services declaratively. Finish by securing and maintaining your Docker host. Enable log rotation, prune unused images and containers regularly, and set resource limits for critical services. Make sure firewall rules only expose necessary ports and prefer user-defined bridge or overlay networks for isolation and predictable DNS. If something goes wrong, start with systemctl status docker and journoctl udocker to inspect daemon errors. Verify cgroup mode and kernel support because many failures trace to mismatched cgroups or permission issues. Finally, test a simple container restart to confirm recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.